Phase D, technology architecture, the foundation everything runs on: computers, networks, storage, platforms. Enterprise architecture plans how a whole organization fits together. The ADM is TOGAF's recipe for building it. Our example: a small bakery taking orders online. Before moving on, please like, follow, and share to help the channel and other people grow. This is the ADM cycle, a step-by-step guide to building architecture. 8 phases turn clockwise, from architecture vision through to change management. The preliminary phase sits outside the ring, setting everything up before you begin. Requirements management is the hub connected to every phase. Phase D, technology architecture, comes right after Phase C and feeds into Phase E. Phase D answers one question: what technology foundation lets Phase C software and data actually run? The baseline is today's technology. The target is what we want. Our bakery has just a shop computer now, but needs to host orders and take card payments. Phase D takes 4 inputs: the architecture vision, the business architecture, the information systems architectures, and the architecture repository. Then the steps: choose viewpoints, describe the baseline and target, analyze gaps, list roadmap components, review with stakeholders, and finalize. Phase D produces 4 outputs: the baseline and target technology architecture, the technology building blocks, the list of gaps, and the architecture definition document, inputs for the next phase. Phase D's target and technology building blocks, plus the gaps it found, flow into Phase E, where the work is grouped and fills the roadmap. Phase D both reads existing requirements and adds new ones, so every gap becomes a planned step. Let's walk the bakery through Phase D. Today, one shop computer, a paper order book, a card reader, home broadband. The target: cloud hosting for the ordering page, a payment service, a faster line, automatic backups. The gap flags: missing hosting, no backups, slow internet. Pick the building blocks, plan the roadmap, and the technology foundation is ready. Phase D designs the technology foundation, from Phase C to baseline, target, gaps, then roadmap for Phase E. Requirements management keeps needs in view. One turn of the cycle, repeat as technology changes. Still unclear about anything? Drop a question or comment below. Thanks.